Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I would like to review the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So this is 8.5 ounces. This is like a really big size, and it's awesome because you can use it. You can use a little bit every day, and it will remove all your makeup. It will just make it melt away. It's color white. So let's say that I have here some lipstick here. So what I want to do is I want to take a little bit of the take the day off. This is how it looks. And I want to grab a little bit with my finger. This is how it looks. And then I'm just going to pass it around and you are going to see how it melts it away. It almost looks like paint. So with a tissue, with a cotton, I'm just going to wipe it off my face. And you can see my hand is completely clean. I can use a little bit more if I want to make sure, but you see, everything is gone just with a little bit. That pink lipstick just went away. And you can just do this for your whole face, including the eye area, your lips, and just wipe it off, clean your face with soap and water, and it's going to be like you didn't have any makeup on. I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you for watching.